Number 12 on the STAAR ready says, Jose paid $47 for 4 movie tickets. Each ticket cost the same amount. What was the cost of each one? So this is just a division problem, so not a big deal. $47 divided by 4. 4 into 4 is 1 time. Subtract. Bring down the 7. 4 into 7 is also 1. That's 4 times. That's 3. Here I'm going to make sure to take my decimal up into my answer. I probably should have done that at the beginning. But now I'm going to bring down my 0. 4 into 30. What's that? 7 times, because 4 times 7 is 28. 2. Bring down that 0. And 4 into 20 is 5 times. So $11.75. And then because you're bubbling it in your document, you just need to make sure that you put this decimal in the right spot.